Hi guys, for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ito online tutoring kung saan ay pwede din tayong magturo ng Bisaya, Tagalog, or kahit na anong lingwahe alam natin. Like English, or Spanish, Chinese, or Arabic, French tutor, Italian tutor, and Korean tutor. So it depends on you kung saan ka nakabase na lugar. So, let's
then you can teach them
read Pioneer Language Tutor.
face-to-face
So,
or online.
this is
So,
for
find a
student.
private language
Tutorial
tutor
facilitates
near
connection
you
between
or
student
online.
and language tutors, whether they are nearby or available for online lesson or platforms
worldwide with a
simplifies
whopping
the process of finding an appropriate tutor who aligns with students' schedule and dedication for private lessons.
Private tutor
Learn a
for
new
lesson
language
and
or a nearby
once
language
again.
tutor through Tutoro with
Then you
one-on-one
can find
private
the tutor.
classes.
Just click if you are a student.
Tailored to your schedule.
And
Will
then
connect with
if
you
you are
via
a teacher,
Tutoro
please
Messenger
click,
to assist you
become
on
a
making
tutor.
your first lesson
So
with
this
your
is,
tutor.
choose your tutor, schedule your classes.
So this is for
So as you can see, this is the
tutor. Join Global Teaching Community with Tutoro. You have the flexibility to set your own hours. A student pay you directly, making the process simple, fast, and free. With streamline and the search for nearby students who align with your availability, facilitating connection in over 160 cities worldwide. Yan po.
So,
Nasa bukid po tayo, so marami pong mga pimo, manok.
and how tutor works.
So I'm sorry
Look for a private tutor.
about the background
Tutor is a
noises.
marketplace connecting student with qualified tutor nearby. Tutor benefits both
So
student
here,
and tutors.
Tutoro
And
as
student
tutor, get started,
can now
register and
easily
complete
find
your
a
profile.
tutor who
Register and
matches their
complete your
availability and
profile.
location. For private
Begin your
classes,
journey
choose
with
your
Tutor by
private
completing
tutor.
a simple
Search for
registration form.
and
Provide
hire a
details
nearby
about your
language
teaching
tutor.
experience, your
Now,
qualification,
the
if
tutor,
any,
once you've selected the tutor you
and
want to
the
learn
language
from,
you would like to
will
teach.
reply
If you
to
are
you
native
on
speaker
Tutor
with
Messenger
expertise in
and
teaching
help
your
you
mother
organize your
tongue, be
first
sure to
lesson
mention
together.
it. This will help you to stand out to the student seeking a more specialized learning experience. Verification and approval. Once you have submitted your profile, our team will review it to verify credential and experience. This process ensures that we maintain a high standard of quality in our platform. You will receive a notification once your profile has been approved.
In 160 cities.
Set your schedule and start teaching. After approval, you will be able to set your availability schedule at your
This is how you can apply.
convenience. Start
Just
receiving
fill
requests from
in
students around the world
or
and just
fill up this
and
form.
adjust your schedule and teaching
Become a language
methodology
tutor with
according to
Tutoro.
the
Sign
needs
up
of each
and
student.
become
With
a language
Tutoro,
tutor.
you have the autonomy
Give your
to teach
name,
your
your full
language in
name, your
own
email
unique
address, and
style.
set your password.
Join Tutoro as tutor.
And then your mother tongue and which country.
So this is the form. What's your
you
name?
from,
So
or
your full name, your email, and
and then
set a password.
after that,
Your mother
create your
tongue and
account,
which
then
country do you want to teach.
you can fill up also the other.
So you can contact
What
their
language
support center
you
also
will teach here in
if
Tutoro.
you have question. And
So this is the student from our
so this is the English review.
So this is a bill.
Okay, this is the teachers,
And
and me best
teaching Tagalog as well.
learning English from
So
scratch. Right here on your
you
schedule.
can
While
find
learning
also
English, so this is learning
one of
English.
Bisaya.
If you know,
Okay,
if you are fluent in English, then you can
Available
also teach
so
in online
Armenian,
tutoring.
Armenian,
So the first foremost, to become a tutor or English teacher, you have to be proficient in English language. You must be a native speaker,
Belarusian,
okay,
Bengali,
and advanced English speaker.
Kori,
If you are not a native speaker, well, we don't require certification from the tutors. Prospective teachers are carefully rated.
Cantonese, cat language.
Successful
So you're
candidates
talking
will
here
have
with
their
a cat
profile set up on our website. If you are available,
as I
passionate
understand,
about
you're
teaching English in
talking
a native speaker, you can make private
with the
tutoring
cat
tutor.
here.
Steady
So
source
that is
of
cat
laptop
language.
tutors
Catal
and
to
tutor earn
Catalan.
as much as
Tiwa.
$8,000
Yan.
monthly thanks to the student
Set
we introduced to them.
Garki.
So you can click the
Chinese
sign
and
up to be
Mandarin
tutor
or Mandarin
here,
Chittagon.
or you can go
So marami
over
pang iba.
here.
So the Kenny, America,
Okay,
English,
you click the
Italian, Spanish.
how to become a
So,
tutor here.
You can check the website of Tutoroo. So, um, maybe I will write the link in the description box.
Thank you.
And please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you. For more notification.